So once you install Ricotta, you will get a message notification like this, which prompts you to go to the Ricotta home tab. And before you do that, you can invite all the users by clicking on the invite users button, and all users are invited. Simple. And also you should configure your weekly trivia and time zone settings. Basically, which channel will the weekly trivia contest be posted on every Wednesday. Make sure to select an open channel that is not locked. I'm going to select random. You can select your default time zone and click on submit. After that, you can simply click on the home tab from here or here, and yeah, you can start playing. That's it.